Namaste. We believe that teachers are the heart and soul of a classroom. For empowering them and making learning more interactive, engaging, and relevant with the cutting-edge technology, we have installed Tata Edge Platinum interactive panel boards from class 1 to 12. It's an outstanding initiative by the management of BHAVANS, MANNAPRA.
We are excited to share with you an innovative tool that has transformed our learning and teaching experience, Tata Edge Interactive Board. Let me show you some of the fantastic features of this interactive board. In this board, first we have an area where we can write notes, and this area, this background can be changed. We can change this background to dark mode if we want, or if we want a white mode, we can change this background to white mode. And using the pen available here, we can write on this board. And one of the main features of this board is it is movable. We can move this board to any extent. By using this option, we can move this board upwards, downwards, and to right and left side, so that it will be very much effective for the teachers because there is no space restriction in this board. The main disadvantage of our blackboard or greenboard is space restriction, but in our Tata Edge interactive board, there is no space restriction, which helps the teachers to write comfortably. The next option is background. By clicking background option, we will get so many backgrounds here. For example, for a maths teacher, if they want a check background, they can use the check background to teach the students. And for the English teacher, if they want a 4-line background, they can use a 4-line background for teaching the students. And for Malayalam or Hindi teacher, if they want a 2-line background, that 2-line background is also available in this board. Another fantastic feature of this board is widgets option. By going to widgets option, we will get so many tools for teaching our subjects. For example, for a maths teacher, there is compass, ruler, protractor, set square, etc. Likewise, we can select the subjects from here. If you want biology teacher also has so many options in this. If you want geography teacher also has so many options in this. And if you want physics teacher also has so many options in this. Likewise, subject-wise we will get so many tools in this widget option which helps our teachers to teach the classes effectively. It is very effective for smaller class teachers also, because in smaller classes, if they want to show how to write in a 4-line or 2-line, they can use the different backgrounds such as 4-line and 2-line for showing how to write. For example, if an English teacher wants to show how to write in a 4-line book, they can use the 4-line background, and using the pen option, they can write on this board and they can show how to write in a 4-line book. And simultaneously, if they want to store the pictures of that words, they can use the gallery option in this board. From the gallery option, we can choose any pictures. For example, they want apple, we can go to environmental science, then we can go to fruits, then we will get so many pictures of fruits, and from this we can select an apple. We inserted here, and we can move this apple to the place where we want, so that the students will understand that word effectively, especially in small.
Now let me show you how this interactive board helps to make our English classes more dynamic and effective. For each English lesson, we have an introductory video helping students to get more about the author and his notable works. After each lesson, we can conduct a quiz to reinforce what we have learned. If we select the option, there will be a tick mark, and when we click on Show Answer, it shows the right answer. This helps the students to understand the lesson better.
For Sanskrit learning, this app is very useful for us. अस्मिन् पेनल् मध्ये छात्राणां कृते दृश्यमाध्यमेन तद्वत् प्रश्नोत्तरमाध्यमेन च पाठान् पाठितुं शक्यते। प्रश्नानाम् उत्तराणि अपि अत्र भवति। तत्कारणेन क्रीडामाध्यमेन पाठनस्य भारं लघूकर्तुम् अपि
In this interactive panel, we have a very good facility, that is, replica of our NCERT textbook. So while explaining the lesson, I want to write the meaning, I can write it there itself. For example, Unmukta, meaning free, Gagan, sky. The meaning can be taken down by the children,
where we can learn science through many facilities like diagrams, videos, worksheet and quizzes. While teaching diagram, we can mark anywhere using the pen, and another useful side we can get diagrams and we can rotate the diagrams in any direction we want. We click on any part, the description is followed, and this is found to be very useful for teaching science.
Being a social science teacher, I felt that one of the main features of this interactive board is that we can locate the maps and explains through videos. For example, while we are discussing the types of soil, we know that the black soil is spread over Maharashtra and Deccan Plateau. So normally there is a doubt regarding the places that we need to study. In gallery, there are different types of maps and we can locate the exact place in that political map, for example, the Deccan Plateau.
We can draw circles using compass which is available in the widget tool. We can draw the circle of any radius. We can draw different shapes from the shape tool such as semicircle, then oval, parallelogram, etc. We can change the background as graph. So we can draw x-axis, y-axis in the graph sheet and we can draw the graphs. We can adjust the line size also.
This interactive panel is very useful for remembering things. The visuals help us to retain what we learn.
This interactive panel provides a visual supports to learn diagram. The diagrams are 3D images so that we can rotate in any direction. It also have practicals. It simplifies learning complex diagrams with step-by-step procedures. It is a valuable tool for mastering biology concept efficiently.
I'm really impressed with the Tata Class Edge learning platform. It makes learning easier. Apart from just reading the textbook, we are also able to visualize the things that we have learned. As a computer science student, I find it really easy to learn programming with the interactive panel.
This interactive panel is really helpful to learn maths. In this, animated videos related to topics are available, so we can understand the concepts better. We can also practice competency-based questions. Drawing tools such as compass, protractor are also available.
This interactive panel helps to learn social science subject easily. We can understand things effortlessly. We can understand history easily through videos and images. Also, we can easily study global map.
Normally, physics is hard, but now the case is different. Physics is much easier with the help of Tata Edge Class Learning Panel. Learning about topics in physics, for example magnetic fields, etc., has been taken to a whole new level.
This interactive panel makes learning English dynamic and much more enjoyable. English is a subject which teaches us life lessons and much more through stories, poems, etc. With the help of this panel, we can learn through watching our stories rather than hearing.
In this flat panel, we have access to not only educational videos but interactive videos as well. Drawing can be a bit tough sometimes. That's why we have access to different colored markers which can help draw diagrams for easy understanding. Quizzes can be a fun way to make sure students understood the topic. We also have access to textbooks online.